Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if you are having an issue with creating new folder on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer guys. So for some reason you are unable to recreate a new folders. Let's fix that issue guys. For that go to search menu and type regedit registry editor opens up. Just need to click on run as administrator over here and click yes guys. And now you want to go to H key classes root, expand it in here inside of it and click anything and search for folder. Here comes folder, or after clicking on the folder you just want to location, you just want to see it. I am zooming out over here, and after that right side on here just want to double click on the default over here. In here double click on it, and this value data you want to change this at folder folder, whatever number or anything in your computer listed on here you just want to change to folder. Change type here folder and click OK, and after that close out of here guys. So want to close out of here and go ahead and restart your PC. For make changes restart your computer for changes take effect guys. After restarting your PC, if you not get resolved guys, go to search menu and type cmd, click run as administrator over here, click yes. Now in here you need to type sfc space slash scannow, sfc space slash scannow, press enter guys. This is file checking utility guys. Being system scan, this process will take some time. Being verification phase of system scan, this verification 1% need to get 100% guys. After finishing this 100%, close out of here and go ahead and restart your PC. After that your problem has been resolved. That's it for today's video. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.